In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and optimize product images for WooCommerce. Whether you're running an online store or just setting one up, having properly sized and optimized product images is crucial for creating a professional and user-friendly experience for your customers. Not only does this ensure your site looks polished, but it can also help improve loading times and overall performance. So let's dive right in and walk through the process. Step by step, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to make your images fit perfectly within your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your main hub for managing your website, and it's where we'll be working from today. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a number of options here, but the one we're interested in for this tutorial is labeled Appearance. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to select Customize. Clicking this will take you into the WordPress Customizer, where you can make adjustments to your site's design and layout. Once the Customizer panel has loaded, you'll notice a list of settings on the left-hand side of the screen. Locate the option labeled WooCommerce. This is the section where we'll configure the design and functionality of your online store. Click on that to open the WooCommerce specific settings. Now that you're in the WooCommerce settings menu, look for the section called Product Images. This is where we'll focus our attention for resizing your images. Click on Product Images to access the settings related to how your product images are displayed on your site. Within the Product Images settings, you'll see a few different options. The one you'll need to adjust first is labeled Custom. By default, this might be set to an automatic or predefined setting, but we want to enable manual adjustments. So, simply click on the Custom option to activate the ability to modify your image dimensions. With the Custom option enabled, you'll now have access to sliders or input fields where you can adjust the dimensions of your product images. Here, you'll see two main fields: Main Image Width and Thumbnail Sizing. The main image width refers to the size of the primary product image that appears on your product pages, while thumbnail sizing controls the dimensions of the smaller images, such as those used in galleries or category pages. Adjust these settings to your desired dimensions. Keep in mind that WooCommerce recommends maintaining an appropriate balance between image quality and page loading times. Larger images may look sharper but can slow down your site. So aim for dimensions that suit both your design and performance goals. Once you've adjusted the image dimensions to your liking, don't forget to save your changes. At the top of the Customizer panel, you'll see a Save Changes button. Click on it to ensure all your adjustments are applied to your site. The last step is to verify that everything looks good across different devices. Take a moment to preview your updated image sizes on both desktop and mobile views. This ensures that your product images are displaying properly and consistently, no matter what type of device your customers are using. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always go back into the Customizer and tweak the settings further until you're satisfied. And that's it. You've successfully resized and optimized your product images for WooCommerce. By following these steps, you've improved the overall look and functionality of your store, which can go a long way toward creating a better shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.